In a horrific tragedy that unfolded in Assam on Wednesday, two boats carrying over 100 people collided in the Brahmaputra River, leaving several missing. Videos have emerged from Nimati Ghat showing people desperately trying to swim as the boats rapidly go down. Have a look. According to the Assam State Disaster Management Authority, 82 people have managed to survive the tragedy while at least one person has died. The accident occurred when a private boat named Ma Kamla, which was headed to Majuli from Nimati Ghat, collided with ferry Tripkai while it was coming from the island. Officials said that after sinking, the boat swept around 1.5 kilometers and stuck in the bed of Brahmaputra. The boat turned upside down now and we are not able to turn it around. Once we can do that, we will be able to see if anybody is stuck there, said officials on Wednesday. Teams of NDRF and SDRF and the State Fire Service are still engaged in the operations to rescue the missing persons near Nimati Ghat in Assam. The Indian Army and the Indian Air Force will soon join the rescue operations. Assam Chief Minister Himant Biswa reached Jorhat around 350 kilometers from Guwahati this morning to oversee the rescue operations. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also expressed anguish over the incident and said that all possible efforts are being made to rescue the passengers. For more information, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.